Hi guys, it's Chantel, and here's today's Cruise 2 Minute. Another thing that I like to do because it helps me pass the time is go on to cruisecritic.com, find the roll call for the cruise that we're about to take and go ahead and join it. People often talk back and forth about what hotels are good in the port area, best airport to fly into, best place to park, if you're gonna leave a car there, things like that. I've recently, just in the last few months, found there's almost always a Facebook page for your exact cruise. That's been kind of fun. The last couple of cruises, you just search by, that cruise line, the ship name, the date, join the group, and same thing as kind of the roll call. Cruise Critic, you can meet a lot of folks ahead of time that are going to be on the same exact cruise that you're on. It seems like more people are moving towards the Facebook groups rather than the Cruise Critic groups, but I do like Cruise Critic itself for looking up other things. Like if I want to look up things about the specific ports that I'm going to, either Cruise Critic or TripAdvisor.
Thanks for watching. We hope you got something out of this, and if you have a cruise coming up this summer or fall and you're looking for daily tips to get you excited about it, do us a favor, subscribe to this channel and send it to somebody else that might be headed on that cruise with you.